In this video, we'll go ahead and post our event idea. From the menu, go to Ideas, Create. Here we'll suggest a title for our event. Add a description, choose a location. The max travel distance is the radius out from this point, so as long as the event ends up being within this general area, we're okay with it. So we'll put 3 miles. We'll choose a date, 8 a.m. The event should probably last an hour. We'll suggest a ticket price between $1 and $7. We'll give it a tag and choose an image. So this page, we can go ahead and share it with others. You can see the description, the image, our name, and here we can quickly glance at the travel distance we're willing to travel out, the suggested date, the duration of the event, the ticket price. Here people can reply to this and they can choose different date, a different time, a different ticket price. We can see the metrics here once additional people start replying to it. And if a host sees this and they'd like to host it, they can go ahead and offer to host it. Thanks for watching.